The Romantic Age in English literature spans from 1798 to 1837. It officially begins with the publication of Lyrical Ballads by William Wordsworth and S.T. Coleridge in 1798. This period marked a radical shift from reason and rules to emotion, imagination, and nature. Romanticism emerged as a reaction against neoclassicism and the harsh realities of the Industrial Revolution. Writers felt that excessive logic had suppressed human emotions. They turned to nature, individual freedom, childhood, and imagination for inspiration. Romantic literature focuses on emotion over reason and imagination over logic. Nature is presented as a living and spiritual force. Romantic writers believed in individual experiences, simplicity of language, and the beauty of ordinary life. There is also a strong interest in the supernatural, medieval past, and folklore. Now, let's have a look at the major writers of this period. William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is considered the poet of nature. He defined poetry as the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. His poetry highlights nature, childhood, and simple rural life. His major works include Tintern Abbey, The Prelude, and Ode Intimations of Immortality. S.T. Coleridge. Samuel Taylor Coleridge focused on imagination and the supernatural. He believed imagination had the power to shape reality. His poems often create a mysterious and dreamlike atmosphere. Major works include The Rime of the Ancient Mariner, Kubla Khan, Christabel. Lord Byron. Lord Byron introduced the idea of Byronic hero, a proud, rebellious, and emotionally intense figure. His poetry reflects individualism, rebellion, and personal freedom. His major works include Childe Harold's Pilgrimage and Don Juan. P.B. Shelley. P.B. Shelley was a poet of revolution, hope, and idealism. His poetry promotes political freedom, love, and human perfectibility. His major works include Ode to the West Wind, To a Skylark, Prometheus Unbound. John Keats. John Keats focused on beauty, art, and sensuous experience. He believed that beauty itself provides truth. His famous line is Beauty is truth, truth, beauty. His major works include Ode to a Nightingale, Ode on a Grecian Urn, and To Autumn. Some important prose writers of the Romantic Age include Charles Lamb, which is known for his essay of Ilia, Thomas De Quincey, author of Confessions of an English Opium Eater. The Romantic Age transformed English literature by celebrating emotion, imagination, nature, and individuality. It rejected rigid rules and gave literature a deeply human and emotional voice, influencing modern writing forever. That's all for today's video. I hope this explanation helped you understand the Romantic Age better. If it was useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and keep studying.